Police officers or armed personnel are not allowed to picket according to the Constitution or to go on a strike to agitate for their rights. It's only through this House, Mr. Speaker, that the rights of these officers, who are our brothers, our sons, our fathers, and our sisters, and our mothers, can be able to be addressed.
It has never considered how these police officers are living. It has never thought how the children of these officers will go to school. These officers started going to school to get at least degrees for them to get enumerated well. But you find now they are even condemned for that. They are saying if you have a degree, you will not be given that allowance, that extra allowance. How will you motivate these people to go to school?
Their welfare is of utmost importance. Out of the described frustrations, recently in Makueni, a police officer, actually a police constable, shot a deputy OCS to death and fled, leaving his rifle. So these people are armed, and normally they are normal human beings. They go through stress, and it is, better living conditions and better terms of remuneration could reduce that sort of stress and increase continuous training while at work, and also making sure that they are transferred fairly.